Welcome to the 2-Minute Drill, where we bring you industrial innovations in 2 minutes or less. My name is Kirk Bahr and I'm a sales engineer with Rhino Tool House, coming to you from our Tool House University here in New Berlin, Wisconsin. Today I'm here to touch base on a new cordless riveter by Lobster. It's the R1B2. And what's great about this product is we're able to eliminate a pneumatic hose, which you're generally used to seeing with most riveters out there. This new tool out here has an operating range of rivets from 3/32 to 3/16, and that will pull any steel or stainless steel rivet up to 3/16. The pull force on this tool is 2,000 pounds. It has 25 millimeters of stroke. The weight on this tool, including the battery, is just over 3.5 pounds, and it has a cycle time of 0.8 seconds. Right now I'm just going to demonstrate the speed of this tool. This is a 3/16 rivet, and you will see another nice feature about this tool is the nose piece retains the rivet. Most battery operated tools, if you tip the tool upside down like this, it will drop out the rivet. I'll just go ahead and pull a couple rivets here and show you the pull cycle time on this tool. You can hear the mandrel drops back into the mandrel collector as well when I pull and tip the tool up. The tool also will not operate without the mandrel collector. If you're interested in learning more about this tool, please log on to our website at rhinotoolhouse.com or give one of our 65 sales engineers a call, and we'll be happy to bring this tool out for you to demo on site.